Krishnam Bande Jagadguru. So we are going to the chapter 5. It's two slokas are to be read together to have a complete understanding. So we are going to see slokas 8 and 9 of chapter 5 together. But you can make out also that from the first line of the sloka 8 and the last line of sloka 9, you can get the entire meaning as well. Anyway, let us see how the slokas read in this case. Naiva kinchit karomiti yuktaha manketa tattvavid. Naiva kinchit karomiti yuktaha manketa tattvavid. Pasyan srinvan sprusan jihran asnan gachan swapam swasan pralapan visrijan grihan prabalan visrijan grihnan unmishan nimishan api indriyani indriyarteshu vartanta iti dharayan. Naiva kinchit karomiti yuktaha manyeta tattvavid. Pasyan srinvan spurjan jihran asnan gachan swapan swasan pralapan visrijan grihnan unmishan nimishan api indriyani indriyarteshu vartanta iti dharayan. See, overall meaning is like this. The person, a realized soul, and who is performing in actions, believes that he is not doing anything. Naiva kinchit karomiti iti mangyate. He realized that I am not doing anything. And the argument is like that. Indriyani indriyarteshu vartanta iti dharayan. Indriyani. So the sense organs. See, we have 5 jnana indriyas and 5 karma indriyas. This is our belief. So from the information obtained, provided by the jnana indriyas, the 5 karma indriyas all put together or differently, only one, anything. So they perform the actions. All actions are based on the response of the or the perception of the jnana indriyas, and to that the karma indriyas are acting. So when this is happening, I am not doing anything. Actually, it is the indriyas are involved. I am not the person. So that is how a realized person says that. So let us try to understand what is Naiva kinchit. Let us hear from here. Pasyan, Srinvan, Sprusan, Jihran. Pasyan means seeing. Srinvan means hearing. Sprusan means touching. Jihran means smelling. Asnan, Gachan, Swapan, Swasan. Asnan means digesting. Gachan, going somewhere. Swasan, Swapan, I am sleeping. Swasan, I am taking breath. Pralapan, Visrijan, Grihnan. Pralapan, I am talking something. Visrijan, I am excreting something or leaving something. Grihnan, I am holding on something, grasping. Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi. Unmishan, Nimishan, Napi. Closing the eyes and opening, winking, it happens automatically. Even these acts are the response to the perception of the karma indriyas to the information provided by jnana indriyas. That is what telling indriyani indriyarteshu Indriyarteshu vartanta. Indriyani, the sense organs. Indriyarteshu, the stimulant to the indriyas, stimulants to the jnana indriyas. Vartante, they are engaged. So basically, the sense organs get involved with the objects, with their objects, and because of this, all these things are happen. Iti dharayan. Dharayan means having understood this, having realized that all these simple things are happening because of the information provided by the jnani indriyas, and in response the karma indriyas are performing. So this is the information, this is the basis on which I am telling yuktaha, the person who is engaged in activities, and tattvavid, he also understands that he is a realized soul, because his understanding is I am not doing anything, so he is the tattvavid, and he manyate, he accepts, he acknowledges the fact naiva kinchit karomi, kinchit na eva kinchit karomi iti, that is not naiva kinchit karomi iti, I am not doing anything, is the understanding as the realization, or is the belief in which a tattvavid, a knowledgeable person stays, even though he is doing so many things. This is how the two slokas are to be understood together. So if you see, if you skip the in between two lines, naiva kinchit karomiti yuktaha मन्येत तत्त्ववित् इन्द्रियाणि इन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन्. So the sense organs get engaged with object of the respective senses, because of which actions are going on. So it is not mentioned, because of activities are going on. The person who is really engaged in the job, totally involved in the job, at the same time he is knowledgeable and he is a realized soul. He feels, Naiva kinchit karomi, I am not doing anything. This is also you can understand in between that pasyan, srinvan, sprusan, jihran, asnan, gachan, swapan, swasan, pralapan, visrijan, grihnan, unmishan, nimishan api. That part you may leave, but the basic understanding is that all activities are going on because of the response of the karma indriya to the perception of the jnana indriya, which is always engaged in objects. This is the total understanding. I think I made it clear. I leave it you to further expand this, and this is how it is. I am reading the slokas again. Naiva kinchit karomiti yuktaha manyeta tattvavitu pasyan satyan srinnan sprasan jihran asnan gachan swasan vasan swapan vaswasan pasyan srinvan sprusan jihran asnan gachan swapan swasan pralapan visrijan grihnan unvishan nimishan api indriyani indriyarteshu vartanta giti dharayan. He has written grihnan unvishan nimishan api. Even the winking of the eyes is happening because of the response to the perception of the sense organs. That is how. So I think you understand. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru.